Hey, what's up guys? It's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today what I wanted to show you was a new gas insert that we got set up just in time for winter coming. Wanted to talk about it, let you know some of the features. This is an insert by Quadra-Fire and actually has several unique features that we don't really see a lot in a lot of our other gas inserts, and wanted to just go over them with you. Now, I did want to say, in our store here, a lot of the manufacturers come in and they sort of are telling us why their stuff's the best. Every manufacturer does it. And so I'm kind of a little skeptical when they're saying this is the best new gas insert around. However, after setting it up, there's a lot I actually do like about it. Just wanted to go over it with you. So this is the Firebrick gas insert by Quadra-Fire. This is the larger model, comes in two sizes. You can see it's a nice big window, which I really like because it gives us a big, large viewing area. Two very unique features is, one is you've probably seen it in some of the Heat and Glow products, which is also made by Quadra-Fire, same company, but they offer this anti-reflective glass. Now, hopefully the camera can pick it up pretty good, but at first I wasn't a fan of that. I just thought it was like a sales pitch, but after I have it set up and on, it actually works really well. Sometimes you can't tell that glass is on here. You want to just like, not that you shove your hand in a fire, but you want to just like stick your hand in there to see if there's actually something here. So the anti-reflective glass does actually work, and I think does enhance the cosmetic appearance of this guy. Also, what's really unique about this thing is the underlighting ember bed. So you can see there's a ton of embers in here, which I think enhances the way it looks, because when you have a real wood burning fireplace, you're gonna have those glowing hot ember coals. And so what we did is we spray painted the little glass and put it over the top of the LED lights to sort of give it that orange effect. So for example, so that way you can kind of see what I'm talking about, because there's real embers on the flames and then the ember bed is mixed in with it. So let me turn them off here so you can kind of see what I'm getting at. So there they are off. So you can see it looks good, but then when we turn these ember lights on, it looks a lot better. So as a result, it's not necessarily filled with logs with the Firebox itself, but it's really a focus on the embers. And then I really like this burning strip right out in the very front. That ember strip is almost touching the glass. So it gives us a very deep looking firebox with really bright embers, which I think really resemble a wood burning fireplace a lot. This is kind of a cool wrought iron decorative front. You don't have to do that. You can do like a bronze front or just like a basic clean face design too. And so that's about it as far as cosmetic options. There is one unique thing about this guy from a performance standpoint too, is I'll show you a picture of what it looks like in their brochure, but you can see the fire bricks in here. The whole inside shell of this fireplace is lined with real fire bricks. They're not fake. They're real thick fire bricks that you would see in like a wood insert or a wood stove. Why would they do this? Is because it's gonna radiate 25% more heat into the room than a traditional steel firebox, where you're gonna lose some of that heat off the side. So it does help with efficiency. And sitting next to it, I can tell that the radiant heat works really well. So the long-winded version of what I'm getting at is the manufacturers came in here, told us to put it in, said that it would be a really high-end product and very unique, one of the best inserts, and I was sort of skeptical. After putting it in and having it rolling, I actually really like it a lot. It's on the higher end, so it's going to be, more of one of your higher end, top tier products on the gas insert market. But for a high end product, I think it does add value compared to a traditional insert. I'm pretty pleased with it. So again, like I said, it does come one size smaller. Watch out for one of our reviews on the Excursion fireplace. That's their steel box lineup by Quadra-Fire. If you want to see these products in person, don't forget to come down to our showroom in Westminster, Colorado here, and see these products firsthand, as well as the full Quadra-Fire lineup. You can call or text our staff at 303-800-5659. Check out our products on our website at www.embersliving.com. Thanks so much for checking out this video.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.